Good morning. I was in here till late last night. I got the limit switches wired up, all soldered and wired and ran. They are normally closed. That means that if a wire gets cut, it'll automatically hit the limit switch. I'm hoping this is going to be the way I need it to be. I got them. They're actually not even limit switches. They're home switches. So I'm hoping I can, in Mach 3, and I'm not really familiar with it, I can use my home switches as limit switches, and I'll set up soft limits. After that. Anyway, I got them all wired up, got them hooked to the board, as was. Board functioning fine previous to this test. It was functioning fine during the test, but I absolutely could not get the pins to trigger. Turns out this board has to have, even though it's plugged into USB and getting 5 volts from USB, this board has to have the 12 volts input. So as soon as I hooked up that 12 volts input, and I was about ready to give up, and I was like, you know what, let's give it a shot. Sure enough, hooked up the 12 volt input, bada bing bada boom, everything worked fine. Yep, such is the way of life, huh? Alright, so for today, I continue playing around a little bit. Maybe work on a Arduino Modbus inputs, outputs. Definitely work on the power control box, power box, switch mounting, and get on this guy a little bit here too. I saw my little shop birdie, shop finch, that actually likes to hang out here. I can hear him. Can't see him though. He seen me and he took off. I think also today I'll be working on the toroidal transformer. For some reason also, this guy here seems to be giving me fits. Like, shut it off, turn it on, nothing. Yeah. See? Now 12 volts is on. Alright, so yesterday I added to my projects list, because I don't have enough of them. Shop kitties. Added to my project list, and I had a couple of big UPSs sitting here. Went ahead and pulled the transformer out of the UPSs. Got one down there, and then this guy right here. It's a pretty decent sized transformer. I was assuming this is my primary, and these are my secondaries. I was thinking, as soon as I put power to these with nothing hooked to these guys, this guy popped a fuse like right now. I'm not 100% certain why. I was hoping to be able to hook this guy up to 120 and then series the outputs and use it, just plain use it. It did not seem to be the case. Like I said, it definitely, when it, as soon as I plugged it in, that fuse went. I'm going to go ahead and do some multimeter testing on that guy and see what it does. Alright, have a good day.